So on top of the Notion account that you already have right here, if you have multiple Notion accounts, then you can actually go ahead and add those in as well. So to do that, you need to go ahead and click over here onto the profile area and then click on add another account. So over here, you have an option to continue with Google or simply enter out an email address. So I'm simply going to go ahead and type in my second email address right here, like tutortubechannel2@gmail.com right here. And let me just go ahead and click on continue right here. So once you do that, it asks you for the verification code right here. So now you get mailed a verification code, which is this, as you can see. So let's just go ahead and copy and then paste this out right here and click on continue. So once you go ahead and do that, you simply have your second Notion account signed in. So you can see that if I were to go around over here, you can see that now I have access to this account and this account as well. You can also go ahead and add in another account right here. So let's just go ahead and type in TutorTube channel 3, let's say for example right here, and I'm going to say at gmail.com. So let's just go ahead, add in the verification code for that as well. So for that, you can see the verification code just like this as well. So let's just go ahead and copy and paste this out right here and continue. And what happens is that my third Notion account has been signed in as well. So this is how you can go ahead and then add in multiple Notion accounts that you may have as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.